What are you doing?
I'm sweeping now.
And you are using broom?
But brooms are meant for sweeping.
In my house. For generations, we have been supporting this broom. In this country, we have been using this broom to sweep. Are you not tired of the broom? Can't you invent something else? You don't know tactically we need to be obedient. Be obedient! Oh, you are still doing it! Well, the relationship is over.
Ha!
You are still holding the broom, so you are going with the broom. I said go with the broom!
Hey! Nigeria! Top to bottom.
Please, Oga Landlord, let me to open this gate.
Top to bottom.
Oga Landlord!
Oga Tenant!
Let me to open the gate, please.
What are you holding?
Umbrella, of course, can't you see?
Are you not tired of using this umbrella?
Tired of using my umbrella.
You have been using this umbrella right from small pikin. Your father used it. Your mother used it. Now you are using it again.
But it's raining. Just open the gate, let me come inside.
Go and buy more umbrella. As you are buying it, be raising it up. Let your hand and leg be shaking. Be raising it up.
Ah. Oga Landlord.
Can't you be obedient for once?
But I'm obedient. You come open the gate. I will apply violence now. I will break this gate now.
Scopetenya. You apply violence.
Yes, of course.
I will help you to apply violence. In fact, your rent has expired.
Oga Landlord.
Let me go and bring your plastic property and install it outside.
Ah, look at this man.
When you are ready to be obedient, we will settle issues.
Oga Landlord.